Hello developers, in this video we will learn about the concept of template literals in JavaScript. So template literals are used for string interpolation, multiple line strings and embedded expressions in the string. It uses the syntax as backticks. Okay, we will understand template literals with some basic examples. Okay, so firstly we will check multi-line string example. Multi-line string example. Okay, so we can create string span multiple lines without needing to use the escape characters. Okay, we use /n, if you know, for this multi-line. So it is no need to use /n in the template literals. So for that we use template literals. Const multi line string backticks. This is a multi-line string. So to print multi-line strings, we use template literals. Now we can console it. We will run the output in the terminal. Node, then file name. So as you can see, console is printing as multi-line. Okay, so we haven't used /n escape character in this example. Instead, we have used template literals. Now we will consider the example of string interpolation. Okay. So now consider the example of string interpolation. Const name is equals to Kashish. Const is equals to backticks for template literal syntax, then string interpolation to embed this name into the greet variable statement name. Okay, now we will print greet. So the output will be hi Kashish. Okay, we will check this into the terminal. So template literals allow embedded variables. This is the embedded variable. Okay, directly into the strings using this dollar curly braces syntax. Okay, so this is the output. Also, we use template literals for expression evaluation. So let's see it with some basic example. Expression evaluation. So const a is equals to 5, 6, const b is equals to 7, console log. We can directly evaluate the expression using the template literals. So backticks dollar sign curly braces a plus b. So the output will be 13 here in this case. Okay, we will comment this. Output will be 13. So this is the concept of template literals in JavaScript.